Hi, in this new video I show you how to reset a oil change light, service light, maintenance light for Ford Transit Connect 2017. Right, to start the procedure we need to check first, turn the ignition on, and it shows oil change require. Right, we need to press OK button, switch off. We need to press and hold brake pedal and the accelerator pedal together all the way down. Turn the ignition on, and service oil reset in progress. So we need to keep pressing the accelerator pedal and the brake pedal both together until the next message comes up. It takes normally 15 to 20 seconds. Right, keep pressing. Service oil reset complete. So release the both pedals, turn the ignition off, and we need to check again, turn back on, and now there's messages disappear. That's it. It's a simple procedure, and that's it, job done. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.